Yeah, party. Yeah, party. Come on over to it. It's a party. If you guys want to be shout out, you know, hit me up in the comments down below, and you know you have to hit that subscription button, hit that bell, you know, be the first one to comment so you can. Hey guys, welcome back to Nessa's World. So today I have some exciting news, well, for me and for you guys, because it's going to enhance my quality, and I just can't wait to open it and, you know, let you guys see my reaction and everything. Yes, I know the lighting is bad, but I'm just about to fix that right now. So I have my ring light here, and I bought this probably a month ago. Yeah, I bought it a month ago. Well, yeah, my sister actually bought it for me, and I have the ring light is in here, the mic is in here, and a new memory card is in here, because I had to record stuff and then take my memory card out of the camera and then put it on the laptop and delete whatever I had on the memory card and then record again. So that was a bit of hassle for me. But yeah, I want you guys to see my expression as I ring this. I have not opened it before. My sister actually opened it and she checked that everything was working, but this is my first time opening it, and I bought it on Amazon, and I'm going to leave the link down below, and it's coming from UK. So yeah, so this is a 10-inch ring light. Yeah, and it comes with a tripod. Yeah, I actually need a new tripod because the one that I'm using right now is a bit flimsy. So let's start with the tripod because we need it. So alright, so that goes up there. I think you tighten it. I think, yeah, tighten that, and then ooh, that goes there, tighten it, and then what does this work? I don't know, what does this work? Oh, wait. Does this work? Help. Help. I need help. Someone help me. How do you do this? I can't do this.
2,000 years later.
How does this work? Oh wait, this one's stuck. Oh, there you go. Alright, and then I think you tighten this. Yep. And that's that. And then, oh, the instruction is here. So, yeah, I did all that. Then, alright, so here's the memory card. It's 128 gigabytes, and this light, it have multiple colors. It can have warm, natural light, red, pink, blue, and you don't have to change this, so that's a good thing. And it actually cools itself. And yeah, so I'm gonna see. I think you unscrew this. Yeah, then you screw this onto here. Wait, screw it on. Okay, so it can go up. Oops, wait. I don't want to break it. Okay, you can put it like this, and I think you can turn it. Oh no, you cannot turn it. Oh, you can turn it like this. Yeah, you turn it like that, I think. And to put it back out, if you want it like that, and then tighten it back if you want it to be more secure. Yeah, so that's that. And then plus I got this thing. I think you'd have to go on Facebook to get something free. It said if you want something free, so you have to leave a review and then WhatsApp them or something, and you get some discount or something like that. Alright, so in this box we have the microphone. So these are all separate, guys. The microphone and the memory card did not come with it, but my sister just put it in a box. But I'll review that one next time. So I think this is the power card. Oh, so it comes with a phone holder, and let's see if I know. Oh shoot. I see. And then it's gonna be like this. Right, so I'm just gonna leave it like that, then I'm gonna turn it on. Wish I had a button here now. Ooh, look at that, God. And look at that. Ooh. Alright, so I'm gonna put the camera in front of it, and then I'm gonna let you guys tell me what you think. So sorry. Alright, so the camera is before the ring light, and I'm just gonna test it out. I am so excited. Alright, so what is this? This is the different color. Alright, so that's that. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, red. Ooh la la. Ooh. Focus on me. Yeah. So that I'm in this good. So sorry guys, my hair is so nice, but yay. Ooh. And then the color is changing. If you can see, his color is changing. I'm so excited about this. And then alright, so let's see if that's how you dim it. Then to turn it up, press it. Oh. So guys, yes, that's the ring light. I am so happy, I'm so excited, and I can't wait to film with it. I can't wait to cook with it. I'm just so excited right now. I'm gonna try it with my phone now. Yeah, let's go videoing. Yes guys, so that's my ring light, that's my ring light, that's my ring light, that's my ring light. So you see that ring in my eyes? Ooh, I'm so excited. So yes guys, so that's the installation. That's me setting it up, and that's the ring light. Oh, let me try it without the light on. So I'm gonna turn it off so you guys can get the oops, wrong one. So I'm gonna turn it off, and then I'm gonna turn the light off, and then let you guys see what it looks like. Alright, so guys, now I'm in darkness, and I'm just gonna turn it on. Ooh, the light is so bright, and you can see me like so good, right? And I know the camera is not set up 100% in it, but I'll get there. And yeah, let's go to the green light. Ooh, red light. Ooh. Blue purple light. I don't know what color that is. Yellow light, blue light. Boo, it's a party. Yeah, party. Yeah, party. Yeah, party. Come on over to me. It's a party. Yeah. So guys, yes, that's my ring light, and this is my headphone. No, my headphone, my microphone, and I'll do a next review on that because I would have to test the sound and all of that and all of that. But yeah, and I also have the wind guard to slip it on there, and I should have, you know, optimal sound. I should have high sound, nice, crazy sound. But yes guys, that's very good. That's very good. That's very good. Alright, so I'm just, don't pay me in the mind. I'm just super excited. I'm hungry and all that. But yes guys, that's very light. But I didn't know that. Wow, I didn't know that. So ooh, there's a lot of different lights. I didn't know there's a lot of, wow, I didn't, jeez, I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Oh my god, this is really cool. Oh my god. Gee, I think vibes of, oh no, this is too nice. Look, if you realize the light is changing, oh my god, this is like the best ring light ever, and it's only 10 inches guys. So oh my god, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I can't wait. Like, I actually thought I went through all the colors, but as you can see, I'm still learning stuff. Like, I can't wait to actually go through all of this stuff. Wow, I am so super excited. I just can't wait to start vlogging. And yeah guys, so I'm just gonna turn the lights on. So guess guys, so I'm coming up with new things on my channel, and I'm coming up with post notifications. So if you guys want to be shout out, you know, hit me up in the comments down below, and you know, you have to hit that subscription button, hit that bell, you know, be the first one to comment so you can be post notified, if that makes sense. Yeah, so you can get a shout out on my page. So yeah, keep, you know, if you like the ring light, you know, let me know, because I know I love it, and I'm going to I'm so excited. I just can't wait to actually test it out, especially when I'm cooking or when I'm gonna do makeup or hair tutorial. I just can't wait to try it out on all of that. And can you imagine me using it like in daylight, or actually using it with my softbox? Oh my god, it's gonna be so crazy. Oh, the cost. So the cost of the ring light is about $44. Yeah, it's around 40 pounds. Yeah, 40 pounds. And as you can see, it is worth it because it comes with a stand. You have multiple lights. The light is bright. I have not even turned it up yet. This is like, and I can actually look into the thing and it's not bothering my eye as opposed to the softbox that I made. So this is very great. And as you can see, I can party, you know. I don't need no party box. I just need my ring light to give me that party feeling. So I love it. I love it, and I just want to big up my sister for actually paying for it, because you know I was gonna pay for it but she offered to pay for it. So shout out to you, Candy. The first shout out goes to Candy. I love you, my sister. I love you with all my heart. Love you, girl. Yeah, and can't wait to test this out. Can't wait to test this out. Can't wait to test this out. Yeah. So guys, I'm coming. Maybe long, but I'm coming a very far way, you know, from recording from my S9 to now recording on my S10 and recording on my T7i. Now I have my light, and hopefully I get a bigger one, but I'm getting there, you know. I'm getting there. Nothing happened before it's time. So thank you guys, always coming back. Thank you guys so much. Hit that subscription button. See you in a bit. Bye.